hata kwa watu ambao ni wazee.
Kampeni ya kuheana njanjo ya kugitira murimu wa cholera kaunti-ini ya Kajiado irugureirio sub county-ini ya Isinya kuona ni kumwe gwa kuria kwana korona mututhuko wa murimu uyu.
A couple of years ago, Kajiado East has been affected by cholera with a target of 398 cases reported with 5 deaths from this sub county, and therefore there was a need to carry out an oral cholera vaccine to do the prevention.
Kajiado ni imwe hari kaunti inyanya iria cionekete na arwaru aingi murimu wa cholera na iria ministry ya ugima wa mwiri irarongoreria kampeni neno ya ihinda ria thikũ 10 iroka.
We've been able to control it to 3 counties, just 3 counties, and hopefully we should be able to bring it down to 0 cases in Kenya as soon as possible. That is why we are doing the cholera vaccine to aid.
Kuma mweri wa 10 mwaka muthiri murimu uyu wa cholera guku bururi-ini wonekete kaunti-ini 26 gukiandikithio arwaru 11,890.
People need to practice good hygiene, cook their food very well, wash their hands with soap and clean water, and they have to consume healthy food and also practice healthy hygiene like proper disposal of waste, human waste and other waste.
Hindini ria thikũ 10 iroka maabitha a ugima wa mwiri megukorwo makihungura micini kuheana njanjo ino niguo guteithĩrĩria andu kwigitira kumana na kurwara murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.